In this video, I will show you how to use Google Advanced Search. Google Advanced Search helps you to narrow down your millions of results into minimum so that you will get what you are exactly looking for. To open Google Search, Google Advanced Search, go to this website like a link google.com slash advanced underscore search. Now we are in a Google Advanced Search page. For this, I will search for this website. Wait. I just opened a Stack Overflow website. I will try to search this website through Google Advanced Search. We'll see how specifically or how fast it will search. Now I'm going to search this line. Now, how can we search this website using Google Advanced Search? Here in this first box, if you want to search for a page which contains these words, all of these words, it will show all the website which contains these words. For example, I copied that, I will paste it here. And now I will search it. Now Google, wait a minute, I connected to Wi-Fi, that's why it's showing. Now Google will show the results which these words in which website it's present. Like if any website which contains these words, it will show up here. Now, but this is not we are looking for because we searched the word which is in Stack Overflow. We are getting in some Mozilla website. You can now narrow down your results. Now you did not get what you wanted here. Now if you want find a page which contains exact words, you have to search this in this box which is this exact word or a phrase. Now whenever you paste it here, it will search for the exact word or a sentence which is present in the internet. Now I will click search, advanced search. Now see, from those millions of results, we just narrowed down to only one result. This is the website I opened here. See, you can see here what is the size of. Now we got our result. We'll see what's there next. Now if you want to search a result which contains any of these words, this same or this is all of these words, this any of these words means there may be words which you don't some words not there here, it will show up there. In here the words are there, if all words are there only it will show up. Next, none of these words. If you don't want the pages with some of the words, you can type here. If you type here, then it won't show the website which contains these words. You can search for numbers like if you want between 0 and 1. Now Google will show this with this result. Like if the page contains numbers ranging from 0 and 1, it will show that result. Let's click advanced search. It contains 1, that's why it's showing here. Let's say we'll try 0.5. Advanced search. See, it shows no results found for this because in this website we can't find a number between 0 and 0.5. That's why. Now we remove this. Now you can still narrow down your results with this. You can select the results in which language you want, and you can you can choose by region, from which region you want results. You can also choose a last update of the website if it's updated 24 hours ago or a week ago or month ago or year ago. Now if you want to search for this word in a specific site or a domain, like this is present in Stack Overflow. Now if you search in any other website, it won't relevant results. For example, if you search Wikipedia with these words, it shows no results for this because Wikipedia does not contain this. Now we'll try in Stack Overflow. Now I will search it. Now you can see that it showed that a Stack Overflow found a Stack Overflow with the exact phrase that it's showing a result. This is also type next. You can also narrow down your results by in where this words comes, like if it's in the title of the page or it's in the text of the page or URL of the page or link of the page. And you can show explicit results and also hide explicit results. There is option here. And this is a file that is a very best method to search for PDFs or PostScript or DWF or something else like Excel or PowerPoint or Word documents. For example, if you want to search for a book or you want to download a book, then I'll help you. Like, see, now if you want to search for any book like Java for Dummies, now you want to download this book. When you click search, it will show many websites which shows Java for Dummies, but you want a book which is in PDF form so that you can read PDF. Now you come here after entering your exact phrase and come to narrow down your results by and select file format to Acrobat PDF like PDF. Now click advanced search. You can see that whatever the result came are only PDF format. These are a direct PDF. If you click on them, that PDF will be automatically downloaded into your download folder. Now, yeah, if you want to search for a like a data set, for example, mm, air quality of India. Now, if you want air quality in what format, XLS format, I will search for it. Maybe there is no air quality of India. Uh, that's it for this video, guys. If you didn't get a result what you are looking for, then try changing these formats to PDF or PPT or doc for downloading books on PDF like books. Try this with exact phrase and file type by PDF. Now you don't want to, if you don't want to open advanced search and you have to search in only Google search bar like this. Now you don't want to go here but you have to type here itself and you get the same results. You can do that. Here are the tips to do that. See, to do this in the search box, if you want all of these words to be present, you can type the words with space. And if you want to show the result with the exact word or a phrase, you can put the word in a quote like uh, hmm, you put a double quote and inside that paste your sentence and click enter. Now still it will show the same result because this is what in the back end it's using. Now if you want any of these words to be present, you can put or between them, and none of these words, if you don't want these words to be present in that website, you can write a minus there like back. Like if you don't want that website to be containing any words like John Wick, now click, now write minus here and the exact phrase. Use search. Now it will gone. Something went wrong with guys. We'll search in this. See, yeah, your search, it's working here, but it's not working here. Why, I don't know. Yeah, it's working. You don't have to first. At first, we put inside a quote, but you don't have to put a quote for this to not include a word. Hmm. We'll search this. Okay, sentence. Search for this, and this should not contain exact sentence. Then I'll put a inside double quote, and this site should not contain the words which we found. This site should not contain found word. Click search again. If it comes, if it still shows the website, means it's ignoring it. If it's not showing, then it's working fine. It's showing no results found. Yeah, it's working fine. You have to, if you don't want the website to show the words which you don't want to show, then put a minus there and write a word which you don't want. Then it will exclude that word and search for that. If it does not found, it will not show. Uh, I think that's it for this, guys. I think this helped you. Thanks for watching.